Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate my family journal, which is the 𝗟𝗡𝗞 horizontal layout. We are going to be using some Valentine stickers that are available in my shop. You'll notice these are old ones when I was operating under Pleasantly Planned, but I want to use Valentine stickers because Thursday is my wedding anniversary, and I've been using Valentine stickers in all my spreads for this week. So you'll notice also that the kit that goes with this spread, or with these stickers, is different. So this is an older kit that I previously released. I don't make these anymore. And sneak peek, I'm actually working on some new kits. So these, hopefully, I will have some new designs and matching sticker kits available in my shop next Tuesday. I'm actually filming this on the 6th. I'm a little late to the party today. But I am making new headers, new icons, and new sticker kits. And I'm going to be having a really good 24-hour sale for National Sticker Day in my shop. So you don't want to miss that. Make sure, like I said, it's only going to be 24 hours. So make sure you mark that down in your planners to head to my website. It's going to start at midnight, I guess, technically on the 5th. Realistically, it would be 12:01 on the 6th, but you know what I mean. And it will only go through midnight or 11:59 p.m. on Tuesday. So it's going to be a sale that I have not had in quite a while. It's going to be better than the Black Friday sale. So, and I do, like I said, I want to have some new designs, some new stickers that you guys can grab during that sale. So now let's see. I think I want to trying to decide. I think I want to put this one in this top corner. Oh, I did choose 2 different washi tapes too, and both of these I think came from the Happy Planner previously. I don't know if they're available now or not. So that's adorable. I think I'm going to lay down some decor and then boxes, if I even lay down boxes. I don't know. We'll see where we go. Look how cute those little arrows are. Let's see. Let's do something over here. Right here. I really want to use the little mason jar, but I think that I'm going to use the mason jar with a box. This is so cute. I love these colors. These colors are so bright and cheery and happy. So why don't we take one of these long vertical boxes and let's just put it here. I can always find something to write in my planner. It's a little bit crooked. And then let's take this long vertical box and place it down here, just so we kind of have something similar on both sides of the spread. And then let's take, why don't we go with, I think I want to layer. Yeah, we're going to layer boxes. So let's go here. And then whenever I do layer boxes, I like to white out the color that is going to peek behind the white area on my box, the top box. Like that. That's cute. And then I think we'll do the same here, except go down. So let's do this. Yep. And then we'll go here. Perfect. This is adorable already. Okay, and then why don't we stack a couple of these boxes? Maybe here. Let's go over a little bit. And then maybe like this. Yeah, let's do it. And then we'll kind of decorate in this naked area here. That's cute. And then we're going to do the same here. So let's go with this. And I think we're going to go this way. And I think I want to go down a little bit because I don't want to cover up the little arrow. If I can get this straight, we'll move on. Okay. And then we'll go here and this way. This is so cute. Okay, let's take a couple of these hearts. I really want to use these hearts. So let's go here. Like that. And then we're going to take another one and put right there. We're going to just scatter hearts everywhere on this spread because it is a love spread. There. And then here. We'll do a small one here. It's so cute. And then I did want to use this little mason jar. And I guess we'll put it right here. It's crooked. That's so cute. Okay. I think that's all the decorating I'm going to do. Let's do, or stickers, I should say. But let's do some washi. Okay. So I want to use this washi for sure because it's almost an exact match. I mentioned in my other videos that I've already filmed, but I am sick again. Yay, congratulations. Yay me. My husband got sick on Friday. He started getting sick on Friday, and he's been like really sick with something. And I was hoping, I mean, not hoping that he was sick, but I was hoping it was just the flu that I previously had. But the flu has been gone for probably too long for him to have picked it up. So he has picked up some kind of other funk, and I found it. So yeah, we're sick again. All right, what am I going to do here? I think I don't want, so this is how my brain operates. I have this washi going left. So I would like to do some washi here, but it will be going left, and I don't like that. So I think we're going to go up top here and go this way. That makes my brain feel better. For some reason, I don't know. I cannot do, I need my pages to be similar but not the same, and I like for them to kind of be opposite of one another. It just gives the whole spread a lot more symmetry. And then we have these pretty pink hearts, and I think we're going to just sporadically place some pink hearts. Whoops. I don't know how far I want to go with this. This is so pretty. I think we're going to go quite a ways with that. And then I think we'll lay some a little bit right here. Sorry about my voice and me clearing my throat so much. We're going to put some here. Wait, are we? I think we're going to go here. Oh, that's upside down. I don't want upside down hearts. Get back on there. I'm sitting on my foot. My foot's asleep. I need to fix that. You're so cute. Look how pretty and bright and fun this is. I love it. Okay, so let's take, and let's go here. Now I know that these two are going this way, but they are, I'm hoping that it won't bother me too bad because they're two different washies and they're not the same lengths. We'll see. And then here you'll see that I have that little bit of washi there, but it's going left and this one is going right. So that to me is symmetrical and it works. And look how cute this is, y'all. This is adorable. Adorable. You know what? What does bother me is that these two washi strips are the same length. So we're going to shorten that one up some. That makes me feel a little better. If I had my way, I would just washi this whole spread completely up. But I'm going to slow down. And then I've got some love quotes here. I think I might just put one quote on this spread. And I think we're going to put it on Wednesday. That is what we're going to do. That's perfect. Look how cute this is. I love it. Okay, let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, make sure you mark your calendar, set your alarms, head over to my shop on Tuesday, January 13th for the National Sticker Day sale that you are not going to want to miss in my shop. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I do wish you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would help me with my goal to get to 10,000 subscribers in 2026. It also lets YouTube know that my videos are worthy of being pushed across YouTube world and recommended to other viewers. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That also helps. So that is it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.